Have you ever needed to separate a yolk from an egg white? Well, let's just have some science do it for us. Just grab your egg, crack it. Maybe. This is a really hard egg. Put it on the plate. Next, you grab a water bottle that you found from the recycling bin. And all you have to do, put it right up against the yolk. Squeeze first up against the yolk and pull. How did that happen? Well, it's all about air pressure. Believe it or not, we actually walk through this world of air pushing down on us. We don't normally feel it. And this bottle actually has something in it. That's air. So if you squeeze, you're forcing all of the air out. And then there's less air pressure inside the bottle than there is outside. When you put the mouth right up to the egg yolk, it creates a seal, not letting any more air in. And then when you release, all that extra air pressure on the outside sucks up the egg yolk. There you go, easy baking with science.